Team, we have a patient scheduled for surgery later today. Mr. Hilton is scheduled for a laparoscopic cholecystectomy to remove his gallbladder.
What is the patient's medical history, Dr. Mihira?
Mr. Hilton has a history of hypertension and diabetes. He's also taking blood thinners.
Are there any specific concerns or risks associated with this procedure?
The primary risks associated with laparoscopic cholecystectomy include bleeding, infection, and bile duct injury. We need to be vigilant and take appropriate precautions to minimize these risks.
What preparations are needed for the surgery?
We'll need to ensure Mr. Hilton is fasting for at least 8 hours before the surgery. He should also avoid taking any blood thinners for several days prior.
Dr. Mihira, will he need any preoperative medications?
We'll assess his need for preoperative medications based on his medical history and current condition. We may need to administer antibiotics to prevent infection.
MIHIRAA'S septoplasty is a common surgical procedure that we perform as a day surgery to correct a deviated nasal septum. A deviated septum occurs when the thin wall of cartilage and bone between your nostrils is crooked, making it difficult to breathe through your nose. The surgery aims to straighten this wall, allowing for better airflow. The primary goal of this procedure is to help you breathe more easily. By correcting the septum, we can significantly improve your nasal airflow, which is a major benefit for anyone who has been struggling with this issue. This improved breathing can also lead to other positive outcomes, such as a reduction in snoring and a better quality of sleep, as your body won't have to work as hard to get enough air at night. Additionally, because the septum is no longer obstructing the nasal passages, some people experience fewer nosebleeds. The entire procedure is very focused on enhancing your overall comfort and quality of life by improving how you breathe.